Hello everyone. Today I'm going to unbox the DTX smartwatch. Now let's see the box. It is a plain white solid box. And this watch has two colors, one silver and one black color. Then let's open the box. Firstly, we see a watch. Then inside the box, here is a gray silicone strap. And the magnetic charger. And the menu. Then let's open this one. Also, the watch and the black silicone strap. And the charger and the menu. Now let's see the watch. It has one button here, and in the back there is charging pins. Then let's see the black. The color is similar to the space gray, not full black. Okay. It is very beautiful. Now let's power on the smartwatch. Firstly, we see a language list. It has several languages. It is the big screen. The screen is 1.78 inch. Now let's see the watch faces. Inside it has 5 watch faces, but it can add extra watch faces by the app. And from the top to the bottom, we see the quick actions such as do not disturb and the battery, the power saving mode. And this is the menu style. And the brightness. And the setting. And also Bluetooth. In this page it's about and the power off, shutdown. From the bottom to the top, we can go to the menu style. this is the 9 apps menu style. And from right to the left, we see the steps and heart rate. And then this is the sleep monitor and the weather. In the sleep monitor, you move from the screen from the bottom to the top. You can see the sleep data. All these 3 functions support from the bottom to the top. And also from the left to the right, we also go to the main menu. Now let's test those functions. This is the sports history, and here is the sports mode. It has 8 sport mode. And the sport record, heart rate, and the blood pressure, and the blood oxygen, and the ECG. And this is the sleep monitor, and then the music. Also, we can see this music can control the volume. Then the alarm clock. This alarm clock should set in the app. And the timer. Also, we can see it has several settings such as 1 minute, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So you can just click the one you want and to count down. Also, you can edit the timer by yourself. And this is the setting. You can see this is the language list and the bright screen display. First, we can change the watch face. And then we can change the brightness, and also we can change the screen time. It shows longer bright screen time, consumes more battery life. And also the turn wrist wake. And the vibration intensity. And the menu style. It has 2 menu styles we will show later. And the QR code. And then the battery level. We can see the current battery, and also we can turn on the power saving mode. And then the system, it's about, and reset and shut down. So that's all those functions in this smartwatch. And now let's see the menu style. Then we change to the list style. in this style is very smooth. And let's check the smart style. This is smart style. Okay, so that's all those functions in this smartwatch, and we will connect this smartwatch with the phone and test more functions. Thanks for watching. Bye.